How to add screen record on Android. This tutorial shows you how to add the tile to your Quick Panel so it's ready to use without hunting for it in settings. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Panel. From there, swipe down again to expand it into the full panel view. After that, tap the Edit or Pencil icon, usually found at the bottom of the panel. At this point, you'll see a full grid of every tile currently available, along with ones you haven't added yet. Following this, scroll through the list until you find Screen Recorder. From here, tap and hold on that tile. At this stage, drag it up into the section showing your active Quick Panel tiles. Following this, if your panel already looks full, you can rearrange the order by dragging tiles around until Screen Recorder is somewhere easy to reach. From here, once it's positioned where you want it, tap Done at the top to save the changes. Once added, you'll be able to swipe down anytime and tap the Screen Recorder tile directly from your Quick Panel without needing to dig through settings or search for the app separately. At this stage, tapping it will bring up the sound source options before recording actually begins, letting you choose between media audio, your microphone, or both together. That's how you add Screen Record on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.